me some of my coffee now and we'll get right to it. Welcome to our math home learning. I'm so excited you're here today. So, the very first thing I want you to do is go to the first page in your book that says April 20th and 21st. And then look at the second activity box, box 2. And go to page 3 of the math so you can do it. That's what box 2 says, page 3. Okay, are you there? I'll give you a couple seconds. All right, here we go. What we're going to be working on today is counting on and adding by counting on and making a 10. So, hold on. Let's put that into a phrase that we can understand. I can, you can, add by counting on and making a 10 to solve the problem. Oh my gosh, that sounds like so much. Don't worry, Miss Issacs is here to save you. We're going to go step by step through it and figure this out together. Okay, so when we know we have a number line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. When we're counting, we go 1, 2, we're counting on, right? 3, 4, someone says, keep going, keep counting. 5, 6, 7. So when we add and we count on, we're breaking it apart. Add by counting on, we know, okay, we have 1. How many are we counting on by? 3, because that's what the problem tells us to do, 3. So I say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now wait, the number that came out of my mouth was 4, but my fingers say 3. I'm confused. Hold on, Miss Issacs, take a step back. Okay, I knew to go 3 fingers because this says 3, right? And I started at 1. 1, say 1, don't put any fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number that comes out of my mouth is the answer, right? This tells us how many we counted on by. We counted on by 3. We said 4. So 4. Let's do it another one. 2 plus 5. I say 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I knew to count on by 5. The answer that came out of my mouth was 7. All right, we got the counting on skill done. Check that off. Now, making a 10. We know from the classroom that the 10 blocks were those long, skinny blocks that had 10 little blocks connected to them. So if you look over here, I've drawn them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holy moly. Okay, so here's what we need to do. If we have a problem that says 8 plus 4, what? We need to, so we're going to make 8 green dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? We don't fill a whole 10 block because we don't have 10 yet. And then it says, make 4 more. So I'm going to put my other 4 in this one. Did we fill that whole block? I don't think so. Doesn't look like I did it to me. So how can we figure this out? Let's think. Look at the two arrays. How could we fill it out? What do you think? I'm starting to think that maybe, what happens if Miss Issacs took this one over here, crossed it off, and took this one over here and crossed it off? Do you see what I did? I moved them to the other one to complete my 10. So now look, I have 10 all in a row, right? And how many do I have left over here? 1, 2, because those are gone. Those are invisible. We can't see them. We crossed them off. No more dots. So we have 10, and we know we have 2 more. So wait, let's make our new addition problem. What number is this going to be? I just said it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many do we have over in this one? Remember, those are invisible. We can't see them. 1, 2. We just did it. This says I can add by counting on and making a 10 to solve the problem. Look at this, friends. We now have a problem we can count on. We made a 10. We made a 10 to solve the problem, and now we can count on 10, 11, 12. We did it! We one more to see if our skills are still good, okay? So give me a second while I erase. I'm thinking our numbers should be, how about 6 plus, 7. Okay, let's draw our arrays out. Remember our 10s. Let's draw our 10s out, our 10 blocks. And this time, I'm going to show you a long 10 so you can see it. So you just saw Miss Issacs go back and count and make sure she had 10. It's always important because if you have one more, it might mess you up. So I had to go back and I had to count and make sure that I had the right amount. Okay, so I'm going to use my same colors again. And you can use a pencil, that's just fine. I'm going to use red and green. So I'm going to say my 6 is green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I did my 6, right? I knew 6 because it says 6 plus 7. So this is my first one, 6. Now I'm going to do my red. And I know my red dots are how many? 7, because the problem tells us that. So now I'm going to do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, look at those arrays. Do you see a whole array? Because I don't. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start moving some over. I can move that one to here. I can move this one to here. That one to here. And I can move this one to here. Now I have a full 10, right? And I can cross all of these off. They don't exist anymore. They're gone. They're not here. All gone. Okay. So now I know I have 10 in this row. How many are left in this row? 1, 2, 3. Now look at your new addition problem you created. I can add by counting on and making a 10 to solve the problem. We have 10. 10. Now we need to count on and add 3. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. And there you have it. You're done. You did it. High five. Okay, so now let's review. What did we learn today? Some of you might be asking yourselves that, and that's okay. I can add by counting on and making a 10 to solve. We made 10s, right? Here's our 10. 10, and then we used what we had left over and added it on. We counted on 10, 11, 12, 13, right? Come over to this one. We made our 10s, then we made our only 10, right? And then we knew, so we have 10 there, and we have 2 here. 1, 2. So we said 10, 11, 12. There you have it, friends. You did it. You were able to count on and making 10s to solve your problems. You did an awesome job today. I hope to see you next time for our next home learning event. See you later.